I am going to explain about FMT scenarios in Golang. Firstly, I am going to explain fmt.printf, that is print format. First scenario is T, that is type of the variable. Here, go run. Here, type is int. If you want the value, that is %v. Okay, value will receive. The new one, if you want percentage mark in string, you have got double percentages, just like this. And in if there is a boolean value, just like this, we should get t, percentage mark t. Here true has come. We can't write string just like this. There is error. Okay. Then in integer we can convert to decimal. For that, percentage mark d. Percentage mark d. If you want to convert this to binary, percentage mark b. Then it is binary representation of 100. Here, if you convert to octal, percentage mark octal. Just like this. If you want to convert hexadecimal, percentage mark x. Here, 64. We can write just like number. Here, if we can add capital S, then those letters are capital. If we use capital X, okay, if we use capital X, then hexadecimal representation of this number, there are letters, then letters are capital. Okay, then in floating points, here that is percentage mark F, just like this. If we add large floating number, the sum of decimal points are missing. Then if you want all those decimal numbers precisely, you can add percentage mark d, g, percentage mark g. Then all the 30 points are also here, percentage mark g. All 13 points are in the output. Okay. Then here there is if we can round up. If we add like this, we can round to 13 points. Okay, we can round to 13 points. If we can add like this, we can remove those things and for that number. Here there is some margin. We can increase that 60. Then there is some margin. The 60 ends here. Ends here. 16 ends here. Then is 4. Then we can add minus 50 at the end. This margin will, padding will come. Next thing is string. We can print string percentage mark S notation. Then I can print Hasita. Then it will print. If I want Hasita with quotes, we can add percentage mark Q. Then it will print Hasita with quotes. I think you will understand this FMT scenarios.